Okay, let's get ComfyUI to work on a Mac. Now, lots of people have problems with this, so I'm going to give it a go. And let's see whether I have any luck or not. So I'm using a Mac M1, and I believe that it works on an M2 and possibly an M4, but I can't be sure. Anyway, I'm on the ComfyUI homepage. I can download ComfyUI, download for Mac. Click that, and see there it says M series. So I'm clicking that. All right, allow. Okay, that's downloading. Okay, that's in the downloads just down there behind my head. If I click that again, then drag ComfyUI into applications. So I presume it's in applications now. If I just double click that, there it is, ComfyUI. I just double clicked it then. It says ComfyUI is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Okay. It says get started. So this is an installer. Apple Metal leverages your Mac's GPU for faster speed. Okay, I'm going to select the default there. Very good. My user's name is admin. I'm not doing any of those. Once again, it's default. You know what? I'm not going to select that. And it's nice to know if there's updates, I guess. So install. Unable to start ComfyUI desktop. Let's open the logs. Double click. Time attempting to execute Git. Maybe I got internet issues. Let's go out of there. Let's see whether I can at least visit GitHub in a browser. GitHub. Yep, I can get to GitHub. Let's troubleshoot. An error was detected, but the troubleshooting page could not be loaded. Okay, so that's ComfyUI on a Mac. Excellent. Let's just try that again. Double click. Get started. Next, next, next. Okay, so this is actually progressing a bit better this time, the second time around. I can see something going on in the background there. It's very, very faint. There's something happening. All right, okay, it started. Unbelievable. Okay, so let's make that maximized. All right, so there are a lot of things that we can look at there, but none of these are going to work because we have to download the model behind the scenes. But first, I'm just going to find my way around a bit more. Well, so brilliant. I don't need that. Okay, so anyway, that's part one of getting ComfyUI to work on a Mac. Excellent. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, and consider becoming a member of my channel where I have many videos on ComfyUI.